In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Wizz Air flight status. To make this quick and reliable, we'll use the official Wizz Air website. Before you begin, have your flight number handy. You'll find it in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass, and it usually looks like 2 letters, followed by a few numbers. For example, W62034. Using the exact flight number helps the system pull the correct result right away. Start on the Wizz Air homepage. From there, scroll down the page until you reach the site's footer area. Near the bottom, you'll see a link labeled Help Center. This is where Wizz Air groups all of its support tools, including the flight status checker. Click Help Center to open it. Going through this route ensures you're getting the most up-to-date information directly from the airline, rather than from third-party trackers. Once the Help Center loads, look for the option called Flight Search. This is the entry point to the current flight status tool. Click Flight Search, and you'll be taken to a simple page designed specifically to check live information for Wizz Air flights. On the flight status page, find the field where you can type your flight number. Enter it exactly as it appears on your ticket. If your number includes a space, the system typically understands it either with or without the space, but matching the format on your booking is best for accuracy. Take a second to confirm you haven't mixed up similar looking characters, like the letter O and the number 0, as that can prevent results from showing correctly. After you've entered the flight number, click Search. The page will load the latest available details for that aircraft. You should see the route, the scheduled departure and arrival times, and the most recent updates such as estimated times if there's a delay. When available, you may also see useful operational notes. All times are usually shown in local airport time, so keep that in mind if you're watching the flight from a different time zone. If you're checking a flight well ahead of departure, it's normal to see only scheduled times. Closer to the travel window, the status will update more frequently, reflecting real-time changes from the airline and airports. For peace of mind, glance at the page again on the day of travel, since weather, air traffic, or operational needs can shift timings. And that's it. By scrolling to the Help Center, selecting Flight Search, entering your flight number, and clicking Search, you'll get the most accurate current status for your Wizz Air flight right from the source.